All right, we're here to do a quick review on the Electrolux washer dryer combo set here. The thing that's really neat about this set, of course, is they stack on top of each other. The dryer at the top, the washer on the bottom. They're very easy to operate. I tell you what's really neat about this dryer is the lint filter. It's a pretty unique design that I've never seen before. You press this button and it's got dual sides and very thin mesh, so it pretty much catches a lot of your lint, and that's important, especially for a dryer, because if it doesn't catch the lint, then it's clogging your lint pipe out the back. So that right there makes it really neat. Of course, easy operation. You have your power buttons here, and of course your different settings. Of course, you have dry boost, which is nice, especially for heavy duty drying, but you also have normal drying, which also shows this little green leaf on the display there. Of course, the washer on the bottom. It has, your main settings, your hot, your warm, your cool, your eco cool. Of course, heavy, normal, light, extra light soil, and then your spin levels. It does have stain treat feature. And again, the thing that's neat is to load up your detergents. You just pull out here, and the operation of these slides is very easy to operate. Sometimes, when it comes to these uprights, they're hard to get out, but this thing locks in, slides out very easily. You've got your detergent, fabric softener, your liquid bleach, your stain treat options there. Fill it up, slide it in, pick your setting, and then press start. Now, I will say, if you're in the middle of a load and your door locks, the easiest way to get it to unlock is just pressing the power button, to shut down the unit, and that unlocks the door. So again, if you're looking for a dual washer dryer combo that stacks up for your living space, you're going to want to give the Electrolux a good look.